Those of you that's wanting to install headlights in your Kids Trax Power Wheels vehicles, this is how you're going to go about it. First, you want to pull out your the headlight bezels of them, and what you're going to do is the centerpiece here. You're going to drill out. Should be about a 1/4 inch, 3/8 maybe, drill bit. Drill out from behind, and the type of bulbs that are really the best for these type of bezels that's made with these type of lights. It's beveled out like this. The best type is to use are these LED strobe lights. Comes pack of 4. These are really good, excellent lights to use for any kind of project you want to use on a vehicle. They're really good for the police lights. If you want to hook up police lights, if you're working on a Kids Trax Dodge Charger, they work really well on that. But like what you do on these, and you have to pop out the lenses on these type of trucks. It's very delicate, and not wanting to break the tabs on the lens. And then just pull out your headlight bezel, and you need a drill bit. Drill out behind, kind of wall it out just enough for the LED light to fit. I got a couple out right here. These right here, cut them out just in size. They'll poke through really snug, and they'll fit and look really good inside the bezel. Just make nice clean cut through. Might do a little side trimming to smooth off the excess, but I'll do in with come back and show you how the remake is done after. Alright, finished project. It's done here. See the lights in there. Straight out from the back. Pushed it snugly in. A nice tight snug fit. No glue necessary. There it is. Quick little demonstration on with it in the vehicle there. Show you guys how it looks. Give it a second. There we are. Instant headlights, and it looks really good from the front. See how it looks there. Looks really good. Same application is for the right side as well.